Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be talking about SoFi Invest. That's what we're going to be breaking down, everything you must know, and honestly giving my honest opinion about this broker. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, we talk about everything money. We talk about stocks, money management, trading, investing, all that good stuff. So if you guys find that interesting, subscribe and join the team. And guys, if you want to sign up with SoFi, I'll put links down below so you guys can sign up. So let's dive in right now. Alright, so before we talk about everything you must know about SoFi, first we have to understand what is SoFi. So SoFi is an online financial company and they pretty much compete with every financial company out there right now. They're an online bank that offers debit cards, credit cards, loans, all that good stuff. But one of the more popular reasons why they are so incredibly popular is because they have a brokerage. Now, on this brokerage, you guys can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and on top of that, you can now even buy and sell cryptocurrency. And obviously, this all comes at no commission. I don't even know, back in the day, do you guys remember when you guys would pay for commission? All you younger people grew up during a time where commission free is like a norm. Back in the day, you would have to pay every time you bought a stock and every time you sold a stock. Virtually, so if a commission was $5 and you only made $5, you pretty much lost $5 because by the time you bought it for $5, made $5, you'd have to sell it for $5. It was terrible. So now virtually all these brokers are now competing for customers, and that's why these commissions are so low. Another reason why SoFi is so incredibly popular is because they have a $1 account minimum, which is awesome. Now, if you guys compare this to brokers like M1 Finance, which is like $100, so for this is sweet because this really allows beginners to start investing and not feeling overwhelmed, with hundreds or thousands of dollars of upfront costs. You can put $1 in and start buying your first company, which is awesome. But then on the flip side, it also makes it almost a little too easy to hop in that driver's seat and start investing or trading or doing whatever you want to do. Now with SoFi, they do offer a whole bunch of fantastic account types. This is a huge leg up from other brokers. Most brokers pretty much just offer one or maybe even two different account types like Robinhood. Robinhood's good, but let me explain. So with SoFi, you can get the standard broker's account, you can get a Roth IRA, you can get your 401k, you can get virtually a whole bunch of other financial accounts on here, which makes it very easy to keep all of your finances all in one place so you don't have to actively jump in between brokers or companies or banks. And yes, I'm sure you may have guessed that they do offer margin. So if you guys are interested in margin, I don't recommend it because anytime you use margin, it's just a higher risk. Obviously you can make more money, but it's just more risky as a beginner starting out. You're going to be putting up pretty much a loan to try to make money. I wouldn't recommend it. SoFi is great for people that are just starting out with investing and just want to get started with that process. They have it where you can automate all your investments, so you can buy $1 of Apple a week or a day, or you can buy the S&P 500 every Friday or whatever you choose. You can automate everything, which is great, but obviously all good things have downsides. So let's talk about some of the things I don't like with SoFi. So SoFi doesn't offer any bonds or any mutual funds. I know that's not a huge deal breaker, but for some of you out there, that may be a huge thing that like those bonds and those mutual funds to diversify your portfolio. Now, a couple of things that I really don't like about SoFi is it lacks a lot of trading things. Now, what I mean by that is advanced charting, advanced studies, advanced software to find stock, and AI monitor that like Moomoo offers. This broker is mostly designed for people that are just getting started with investing. It really lacks all the trading things, like even paper trading where it's like simulated money and fake money. You can't do that with SoFi. So here's my total review of SoFi. SoFi is great for people that are just starting out and don't know where to invest and want to just keep everything very, very simple. Now, if you're looking to start trading or swing trading down the road, I definitely think there's better options elsewhere. Not to mention, SoFi uses order flow, which is just a slower service. So what that means is, so instead of sending your order to the exchange, they send it to like a hedge fund and then they place the order. It's just one extra step. So if you're day trading with tens of thousands of dollars, that small step could cost you money. But at the end of the day, SoFi is a great platform for people that are just starting out and want to invest. Now, if you're looking to trade, I definitely think there's other brokers out there that are honestly better. And companies like Moomoo and Thinkorswim or even Fidelity offer a whole bunch of more intense charting for people that want to take trading more serious. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is everything you must know about SoFi Invest. If you guys want to sign up, I'll put links to it down below. So we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.